In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy a GitHub project on Netlify. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply make sure to go to GitHub and also Netlify as well. So go and click on the first link in both. Okay, itype.com here. So make sure to log in into both your accounts if you do have an account. If you don't, just go and create one. Of course, as an example here, I don't think I do have an account probably. So here I'm just going to try to log in into both accounts and coming back to you. So here an example, I'm trying to create my account on Netlify and I'm just going to create it using a GitHub account because it will make it even easier. So just authorize, an example, everything and you should be good to go. So as you can see here, you'll just have to fill up other informations and you should be good. So once you fill up those informations, as you can see, they will tell you to deploy your first project. And basically here, you can simply just choose GitHub. And here, of course, you'll have to authorize it and of course authorize as well. So let me just wait a little bit. And here, as you can see, you will have to go to your profile and you can simply deploy all the repositories as an example if you want to, or you can simply just use on some specific repositories. So as example here, I'm just going to choose to deploy maybe this, also like this. As you can see, these two is enough. I'm just going to click on install and it should install this right away. So here you can also click on it and deploy it, basically deploy one by one on Netlify. So I'm just going to click here, click on deploy to Netlify. And as you can see, it will be deployed. You can also, as an example, if you do have an account at the moment, or you already had an account and you want to deploy something from the beginning. So once you go, as an example, to Netlify the first time, you'll find yourself here. So on the projects, as an example, go to add a new project. You can go and import an existing project from GitHub right away. And again, of course, you'll have to wait a bit and simply choose the project that you want to deploy. You can simply just search your projects example or repos. I don't know what's your stuff are called. So I do have maybe something like that. So you can just go and look for it. So, as an example, no repository is found. Again, click on configure. And here, as you can see, so let me just wait a little bit for this until it load. I can go again to my, oh, not configure. I can just go here. Of course, yeah, it will configure it. And here, as you can see, again, I can add more repositories. Maybe as example, this one, click on save now, and it should be added right here. I can just go and click on it and name it whatever I want in here. So I'm just gonna name it test and stuff. You can fill up all other informations if you want to. So it's not available, sure. So tester, omics as example, why not something like that? Yeah, click on deploy, and as you can see, this project from GitHub is deployed in Netlify. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.